Hello everyone, this is Kage of Ronin Syndicate Guild and welcome to Kage's Watchtower. And today I'll be discussing BAXS token for Axie Infinity. If you are a new or a returning player for Axie Infinity, dapat mong malaman kung para saan tong token na to. So first guys, BAXS token launch ito last February 26 of 2026 and currently ito ang reward ni Axie Infinity sa lahat ng games. So that's Classic, Origin, Homeland. Ito rin guys yung rewards ngayon ng mga content creators for Axie Infinity. What is BAXS guys? So ang BAXS ay banded AXS. This is a variation of AXS token. So keep in mind that 1 BAXS is also equal to 1 AXS. Ang kaibahan lang, hindi mo pwedeng i-trade, hindi mo rin pwedeng i-transfer ang BAXS. Saan mo magagamit ang BAXS? So you can use it in breeding, ascending, and evolution of your Axies, and pwede mo siyang A-stake for you to earn AXS tokens. At the moment, ito lang yung current utility ni BAXS, pero in the future, Axie maybe said that dadagdagan pa nila yung utility ng token, like for purchasing assets in the marketplace. Bakit wala ng AXS and SLP? And pinalitan na ito ng BAXS token? In my opinion, gusto ni Axie Infinity maka-retain ng value sa economy ng game. So instead na 100% yung na-extract na value ng mga players pag nag-withdraw sila ng assets, using this model, makaka-retain sila ng amount pa rin. How to convert your BAXS token into tradable and transferable assets like USDC, WET, and AXS. Always remember guys na pwede mo lang i-convert ang BAXS token mo sa AXS initially. So after mo siya convert sa AXS, then pwede mo nang ipasa ito sa kahit anong exchange or kahit anong wallet na gusto mo. Gaya ng sabi ko kanina, ginawa ang BAXS token para maka-retain ng value si Axie for the economy. So paano niya ito ginagawa? By introducing an exchange rate. Pag mag-withdraw na yung players or magko-convert yung players ng BAXS to AXS. So we have here for Meat Keepers, it's 82.5%. Atia Guardian, 70%. Chosen of Atia, 60%. Atia Seeker, 40%. Lunasian Pioneer, 30%. And Lunasian at 15%. So example, meron si player 10 BAXS token and gusto niya mag-withdraw. And ang kanyang Axie score will fall under Chosen of Atia, that's 60%. So ang marireceive niyang AXS from 10 BAXS is 6. For the Axie score guys, let me make another video for that kasi masyadong haba pag diniscuss ko pa yon in this video. Pero pretty much that's it actually for BAXS. Thank you for listening. Again, this is Kage's Watchtower and I hope you get the high ground in Axie Infinity.